Today I have something awesome to share with you all in the realm of AI fitness technology. AI is everywhere now, and it's creating some exciting new ways to get active, have fun, and hit some stuff hard. We're talking about AI-powered boxing bags. Yes, that's right, that's a thing now. With this AI tech, the goal is to create an immersive boxing experience where users feel like they are facing a real opponent. To achieve this, the bag's layers are designed to simulate the density of different human body tissues. This attention to detail enhances the authenticity and realism of the training session. This isn't just any punching bag, it's a smart boxing bag that can revolutionize your workout routine in ways you've never imagined before. If you're like me, you want to stay fit, but sometimes find it can get monotonous and repetitive, enter the Bhout Bag. This groundbreaking AI fitness product seamlessly blends gaming elements with traditional boxing bags. They're leading the way in this brand new world of AI boxing and changing the game.